Alright, hello everyone. I'll try to demonstrate everything that I have to show in less than 5 minutes. It will be a challenge, so let's go. Okay, to start with, we have our active listing page. Here we can see that represented as cards, we have all the currently active auctions that our application has. Among all the informations, we can see an image. If we click, we can see a description. We can see the title, the category, an icon of an empty star representing the watch list, like the favorites for this user, the current price, and the bid now price that would take to this auction specific page. Let me quickly demonstrate the watch list. So if I go to watch list, I'm currently logged as Bob. Bob has no items on his watch list. Okay, so going back to the active, I will highlight, let's say, the vintage watch and the signed football memorabilia. All right, so now if we check Bob's watch list, we can see that those two items were added. We can remove, and there we go. So now let's go ahead and test the categories. Here on the categories page, we have all the categories that the application has. These categories, they are available to users to represent the products that they create once they try to register a new auction. As we can see, if I click on any of those categories, for instance, collectibles, I will go back to the active listing page, but now filtering only items from this category, meaning collectibles. We could go for any other, like music, and there will no active auctions for the category. All right, let's quickly demonstrate that we can also add a new product, a super new product. I could even add a standard image. I could select among a category and select an initial price. Now if we scroll all the way down, we'll see that our product is right there. Let's go ahead and click on one of those items, the first one for instance, and we now see the auction page where we have a lot of the same information along with the status. So this auction is active, here it shows. And also we can see who created this auction. It was Eve, so we are currently as Bob, as I stated. So I can go ahead and, for instance, do a bid, register a bid for this item. So the operation succeeded because the amount that I entered was exactly the same as the starting price, meaning a valid value. But if I try to go for something lower, for instance, 45, I'll get an operation failed, and that will not be registered. Now, for instance, if I log off and I log in like Eve, we'll see that this page now looks a little bit different. I can no longer place register bids, but I could close the auction. And as it says, it's an irreversible process. So if I go ahead, a pop-up will appear saying if I want to confirm, I can go ahead and click yes, sure, and then we'll see Bob is winning, has won that auction. Let me quickly demonstrate the comments. So here we have the comment section. I can go ahead and set a comment, and it will be displayed below. Can add as many comments as I would like. All right. So now let me log out and go quickly to the admin page where I can show the last two pieces of this application. Here we have all the models for the application. So for instance, auction, can go ahead and check the auction. We could add a new auction and so on and so forth. And also bids, comments, products, users, and so on. For instance, here on the bids, I could, as a super user, as an admin, come here and, for instance, delete a bid. Let's delete one. And there we go. So this is it. I guess I hope I demonstrate everything that I had to. Thank you so much for watching.